Good morning to everybody. Dr. Kishore Kumar from Ambassa Farm. Today we are going to talk about Solanum trilobatum and its uses for medicinal uses, traditional medicinal uses. It is under the kingdom of Plantae. It's a division under Trichophyta, subdivision Spermatophytina, order Solanales, family Solanaceae, subfamily Solanoideae, tribe Solanaceae, genus Solanum, species Solanum trilobatum. Solanum trilobatum is an amazing plant that has been used as a medicine since ancient times. It is a popular medicinal plant both in Ayurveda and Siddha system of healing. The plant is commonly found in the southern region of India along with some other countries like Sri Lanka, Thailand, Vietnam. Although this plant is found across all the southern states of India, it is extensively used in the state of Tamil Nadu, where it is called Thuduvelai. This plant is used for leafy vegetable for the preparation of curries and rasam, considering numerous health benefits. Solanum trilobatum is a perennial herb that grows up to height of 2 to 3 meters and is fully covered with thorn. One can see thorn even underneath the leaves and sometimes on the stalk, the fruit. The plant produces attractive purple violet colored flowers. Leaves are triangular. And irregularly lobed. Fruits are small fruits. Contains numerous tiny seeds. Come light green and turn red in ripening. All parts of the medicinal plant, the plants are considered to have the medicinal properties and have traditionally used for treating several problems like cough, asthma, and respiratory illness and skin diseases. The study suggests that leaf and the root extract of Solanum trilobatum have significant anti-inflammatory activity on both acute and chronic inflammation. The plant having anti-inflammatory property. The roots of the plant also possess excellent anti-inflammatory properties, and that efficiency root extract also comparably with the standard drugs of indomethacin and dexamethasone. It has pain relieving properties. Studies showed that root extract of Thuduvelai, that means have potential pain relieving properties. It also having treatment for bronchial asthma. Since ancient times, Solanum trilobatum, that means Thuduvelai, is extensively used as a remedy for the treatment of various respiratory diseases. It may protect against neurotoxicity, anti-diabetic activity. It may protect your liver health. In Siddha, the system of medicine, Solanum trilobatum is used as a medicine to treat liver diseases. It has an antimicrobial properties, anti-cancer properties also identified. Traditional uses of Thuduvelai. The tender leaves of these plants are considered as a remedy for cough, intentional worms, and even believed to improve the memory. Solanum trilobatum is used as a leaf vegetable in some regions of South India where people prepare curries and chutneys using these leaves. Thuduvelai is mainly for the respiratory problems. It's a traditionally medicine. It's used in our Tamil Nadu for very long years ago. From long years ago, traditionally we are using for Siddha medicine. Thank you for watching Dr. Kishore Kumar from Ambassa Farm. Thank you.